I'm Rubaiya Ferdousi. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm suffering from AVN last 1 year. Actually, my pain first started when I was pregnant. I was 7-8 months pregnant. At that time, my pain started. At that time, I went to my gynecologist. They thought this pain because of my pregnancy, so I could not care. I didn't care of this. After my cesarean section, pain removed. But then after 5-6 months, then pain started again, and it was huge pain. Then I went to my orthopedician doctor. They give me some tests. After test, they diagnosed it's AVN. Then first day I come to Dr. Simon Thomas. He gave me some medicines because of this pains. He didn't want to go for operate or surgery. He gave me some medicines 3 months ago. Then I took this medicine, but it not work. My pain increased and increased. Now sir decided to go for surgery. And then now I come for surgery. Now actually for the surgery I'm very nervous. Actually I also feel very scaredness, but I have faith on Dr. Simon Thomas. I feel he's good. His behavior is very good. So I have faith on him, and I also faith on my Allah. Inshallah I will be okay. My operation has done. Today is second day. I start work from first day. First day my physiotherapist came. First she helped me to walk. Then I start work with help of my walker. Then I walked throughout the corridor. Then he came 2 times and I walked 2 times. First day it was mild pain. Sometimes it increased, then after sometimes it settled down. Today is the second day. Today pain is quite little. So today I feel better. She helped me how to use my washroom. Now I can use my washroom by my own with help of my walker. And about the hospital, मैं कहना चाहूँगा their behavior is very good. All the staffs and doctors सब लोग बहुत cooperative है. Sisters behavior and their services very good. Doctors behavior are very good. वो सब क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स ठीक से देते हैं. जो मैं पूछती हूँ वो मुझे ठीक से बता देती है. So as I say, I feel everything is good. Thank you.